Today we're going to talk about the 18-volt cordless pruning saw. It has a detachable clamping jaw. It works on any PXC Ozito batteries. Okay, let's do the unboxing now and see what comes within the box. First there's a instruction manual. As you can see here, it says 18 volts and the load speed is around 2600 SPM. The maximum cutting diameter is around 80 mm with the clamping jaw and 100 mm without it. It weighs around 1.3 kilograms without the battery. And this is the unit. It also comes with this clamping jaw. And this is any standard 150 mm reciprocating blade, which the one in the box only does timber. So if you want metal and wood, you have to buy something separate. I got one of this Bosch reciprocating saw blade 7-piece from Amazon. All the 150 mm will suit this cordless pruning saw as well. It also comes with a product sheet. Let's get started with setting the tool up. So first, with the blade, make sure you wear some gloves. Apply some pressure on both sides to get the safety cover off. And there's a knob with a lock and unlock. So to insert the blade, you need to take it to the unlock sign and then push the reciprocating saw blade inside. And once you fully push it inside, just release this knob and put the protective guard on. And lastly, just do a final check, if the blade comes off. And the other piece, if you want, is the clamping jaw. So if you're going to cut anything beyond 80 millimeters, the product sheet says that it's better not to install the clamping jaw. All you need to do is push the two black buttons over here. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. And you can use your existing Ozito battery, slide it in. Most of the Ozito tools come with safety feature wherein you have to press this button and also the other trigger to get the reciprocating saw started. It's a very light tool, and if you do a lot of pruning, you can do it with one hand. You see how light it is, and you can adjust the speed with this trigger, fast, slow. Once you get this clamping jaw off, it will just act as a reciprocating saw. Okay, let's try pruning this one. Okay, that was a clean cut. If you look at the cut, it was pretty clean cut, and the tool is really very light and you can use it easily with one hand. And in terms of the vibration, if you see, once you put the clamping jaw, it does a good job of reducing the vibration. Bare minimum. And look at the cut, it's clean. Once you've finished all your pruning task, way to disassemble this one is first make sure you remove the battery. Press this and slide it off. Next, if you want to remove the clamping jaw, just push with both your fingers, on both the sides. This comes off and you can take it off. And lastly, the blade. Take the protective shield by pressing with both your fingers inwards and then just lifting it up. And as you see, the unlock sign over here. So you just move the knob over here and pull the blade out.